Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create labels in Gmail and how you can send an email to that label. It's really simple and easy because right now here trending labels and next to that is a plus icon where it says create new label. So just simply click on it and then you have to give a label name whatever you want and then click on this create. Right now we can click on these three dots right there and give this a color. So let's give this something yellow, and then from now we want to add something to this label. We want to send this email from this to this label, so we click right here to selecting that email. Now tap on these three dots in the top and select this label, and you have to select your label. And right now if you can see, it got labeled, and if I now click on my labels, the email is standing here in our label. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create label in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.